Today, we're diving into the world of flavors with a dish that will tantalize your taste buds: pork and crab, ants climbing trees. To get started, you'll need some key ingredients: pork belly, crab meat, mung bean noodles, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of sesame oil. First things first, heat up your wok with some oil until it's nice and hot. Then, add in the pork belly slices and let them sizzle until they're golden brown and crispy. The aroma filling the kitchen is just the beginning of the delicious journey we're about to embark on. Next, toss in the crab meat and let it mingle with the pork, infusing each other with their savory goodness. The flavors are starting to dance together, creating a symphony of taste that will leave you craving more. Now, it's time to add in the mung bean noodles, gently stirring them into the mix. These delicate noodles will soak up all the flavors, ensuring each bite is a burst of deliciousness. A splash of soy sauce, a hint of ginger, and a sprinkle of garlic. These final touches elevate the dish to a whole new level. The kitchen is filled with the enticing aroma of this culinary masterpiece in the making. As the dish comes together, the colors and textures blend harmoniously, creating a visual feast for the eyes. The final plated dish is a work of art, ready to be enjoyed and savored. And there you have it, pork and crab, ants climbing trees, a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your taste buds thank you later. Remember to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes.